My job this morning is really very simple. I'm here to talk to you about you. So as she held my shoulders, looked in my eyes, she said something that day that I have never forgotten. She said, "Shut up!" It's only when you're willing to shut up and listen that you might just learn something. Engaging them, talking to them, getting to know them, and allowing them to get to know us. For that police chief, he saw that as detail. I see that as an absolute requirement. Just tell me about honesty. And I've never, not one time have I heard, well, they lie occasionally, but you know, that's okay. I appreciate a person that'll lie to you a little bit. It just doesn't happen. We must plan, and then we must communicate. And by the way, let me go ahead and say this right out loud. It doesn't count if you say this. I told them once, if they didn't get it, that's not my problem. They know. They've worked there for the last 9 months, 18 months, 4 years, and you're still calling them buddy. Well, I can't remember his name. What the heck? I'm too busy. I got things I got to worry about. What you need to worry about is getting to know your followers. Talk with people, not at people, not around people, not behind people, not down to people, not over people. Talk with people.